Hello, welcome to Smithills Science. My name is Mrs Davis and I'm the Head of Science.
Hello, my name is Mrs Broom and I'm the Key Stage 3 Coordinator.
Hello, my name is Mrs Lowndes and I am the Key Stage 4 Coordinator.
In our Science department, there is a team of 10 specialist science teachers and science technicians and various other living things. We have 10 fully equipped science laboratories and a computer suite. In our science curriculum, there are 10 big ideas which are visited twice in Key Stage 3. Each one feeds into the 24 topics of the AQA Combined Science Trilogy course that students commence in the spring term of Year 9. The curriculum is spiral, which means that the ideas are reviewed and increase in complexity whilst reinforcing previous learning as the topic is revisited. The 10 big ideas can be split into 3 main branches of science: biology, chemistry and physics. In chemistry, there are 3 big ideas: matter, reactions and earth. In the big idea, matter, pupils will start Key Stage 3 by studying how particles are arranged in solids, liquids and gases and what happens when they change state. They will experiment how to separate different mixtures. In Year 8, they will develop these ideas by looking at the periodic table and how it was developed, and by studying elements and compounds. They will then move on to GCSE topic, atomic structure, where these ideas are developed further. For example, they will look at the subatomic particles in an atom and how they are arranged. They will also study the properties of the elements in groups 1, 7 and 0 of the periodic table. Finally, in Year 11, they will move on to the GCSE topic, organic chemistry, again developing ideas further. For example, they will look at a particular group of hydrocarbon compounds.
In biology, there are 3 big ideas: organisms, ecosystems and genes. In the big idea organisms, pupils will start Key Stage 3 by finding out why you have a skeleton and how it works together with your muscles to enable you to move. They will also look inside organisms to discover what plants and animals are made of. Finally, they will meet some tiny organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. In Year 8, they will develop this idea and learn about how we breathe and look at the damage that can be caused by smoking, drinking alcohol and taking drugs. Finally, they will study what makes a balanced diet and how your body breaks down the food you eat to release energy and other nutrients you need to live and grow. In Year 9, they will move on to the GCSE topic cell biology, where these ideas are developed further. For example, they will look at stem cells, which could be used to treat certain conditions and diseases that are currently untreatable. In Year 10, they will move on to the topic GCSE organisation. Again, these ideas are developed further. For example, how the heart works and conditions that can affect it. In Year 11, they will move on to the GCSE topic homeostasis and response, looking at how the nervous system is involved in the coordination and control of the body. This year we have introduced an animal care course which involves hands-on care of a dog, chickens, guinea pigs and a bearded dragon. This has proved very popular with students. Other enrichment activities include the wildlife pond, which is used to enrich students' experiences of the natural world during their studies of food chains and webs at Key Stage 3 and classification at Key Stage 4. Field studies around the school environment to study the distribution of living things in their local community. This is completed during Key Stage 4 when studying ecology and sampling techniques. Salter's Festival of Chemistry, an annual event held at Manchester University where a team of 4 Key Stage 3 students compete with other schools to solve problems. Year 9 Physics Olympics held at Bolton School where a group of Year 8 students competed to build electrical circuits linking to the electricity topic. The North West Manchester Science and Technology Challenge Day, which was held at Bolton University, where they competed with other schools in a series of practical activities that increased their awareness of the applications of practical science. And Science Club, where Key Stage 3 students will participate in a fortnightly club which will aim to raise interest and excitement in science by carrying out fun experiments to test theories and to explore practical science.
In physics, there are 3 big ideas: forces, energy and electromagnetism. In the big idea forces, people will start Key Stage 3 by finding out how balanced and unbalanced forces affect objects and study gravitational forces in our solar system later on in Year 7. In Year 8, they investigate forces in terms of motion, looking at speed and acceleration. and learn how pressure is applied in various situations. Moving into Key Stage 4, pupils develop their knowledge further, examining the concept that forces are responsible for all interactions between particles and objects. They investigate in more detail contact and non-contact forces and the laws of motion. An exciting part of science curriculum at Smithills School is the working scientifically part of the national curriculum. Students carry out lots of experiments to observe, model, inquire, solve problems and use mathematical skills both in the lab, in the field and other environments, such as our school pond and surrounding woodlands. We want our pupils to be prepared for life beyond the school by building curious, independent and inquisitive individuals who have an appreciation and understanding for the world around them. We intend to equip our pupils with the knowledge and skills our society needs to address modern day issues, deepening understanding of contemporary modern day challenges. In an increasingly unpredictable world, we aim to provide our pupils with the knowledge on which to base resilience, creativity and social understanding.
Students often ask why study science. The question can be answered by our subject quote, which encompasses our curriculum in a nutshell. Louis Pasteur said, "Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is a torch which illuminates the world." Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch.